Welcome to Curioscope. This is our very first video, and here you'll find the weirdest, wildest, and most fascinating facts about science, history, technology, and the universe. And today, we're kicking things off with a topic that's both exciting and a little scary: artificial intelligence. You've probably heard about AI, but did you know it can dream, invent languages, and even clone your voice? Stick around, because these 5 crazy AI facts will blow your mind. Back in 2015, Google engineers created something called Deep Dream. It was originally designed to recognize objects in photos, like spotting dogs, cats, or cars. But when they cranked up its imagination, something weird happened. The AI started dreaming. It generated images full of spirals, eyes, and, strangely, dogs everywhere. Even clouds or trees started turning into dog faces. It wasn't just a glitch, it showed how AI sees the world differently than we do. In a way, Deep Dream gave us a peek into a machine's subconscious. Imagine a robot's version of dreaming, full of patterns and strange hallucinations. In 2017, Facebook was testing chatbots designed to negotiate with each other. At first, they talked in plain English, but soon, something unexpected happened. The bots invented their own secret shorthand language to communicate faster. To us, it looked like nonsense, words repeated and rearranged in strange ways, but to the bots it was efficient. The scary part? Humans couldn't understand it. Researchers shut the experiment down, not because the bots were dangerous, but because it was unpredictable. It made us realize that if AI keeps evolving, it might start solving problems in ways that completely escape human understanding. That's both fascinating and a little unsettling. Science fiction fans might think of Minority Report here, but predictive policing is already real. Some cities use AI systems to analyze crime data and predict where crimes are more likely to happen. For example, if thefts keep happening in one neighborhood on Friday nights, the AI might send more police there. In theory, it sounds smart, preventing crimes before they happen. But here's the catch. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If the past data is biased, the AI could unfairly target certain communities. So, while the technology is powerful, it also raises huge ethical questions. Should we let a machine decide where crimes will happen? Games have always been a way to test intelligence. Chess was the big one in the 90s when IBM's Deep Blue beat Garry Kasparov. But experts believed the ancient Chinese game of Go was too complex for AI. Go has more possible moves than there are atoms in the universe. That's mind-bending. For decades, people thought no computer could master it. Then in 2016, Google's AlphaGo shocked the world by defeating Lee Sedol, one of the best Go players alive. And it didn't just play like a human, it made moves no one had ever seen before. Moves that looked weird at first, but later proved genius. This was a turning point. AI wasn't just copying humans anymore. It was inventing entirely new strategies. One of the most surprising, and maybe scariest, abilities of modern AI is voice cloning. With just a few seconds of someone's speech, AI can generate an eerily accurate copy of their voice. That means you could hear your favorite celebrity reading you a bedtime story, or your friend calling you, even though it's not really them. While this technology has amazing uses, like helping people who've lost their voices, it also has risks. Scammers have already used AI-cloned voices to trick people into sending money. So, like much of AI, it's a double-edged sword. Incredible potential, but serious challenges. So there you have it. 5 crazy facts about AI, from dreaming machines to secret languages and even cloning voices. Which of these blew your mind the most? Personally, I'm still stuck on the idea of AI dreaming. Like, what does that even mean for the future? If you enjoyed this first episode of Curioscope, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a journey into the curious and the unexplained. This is just the beginning, and we've got so many fascinating discoveries coming your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your curiosity alive.